Hello everyone, today I will introduce our case study company, Gamuda Berhad. Gamuda Berhad is one of Malaysia's leading engineering, infrastructure and property development companies. It was established in 1976 with its headquarters in Petaling Jaya, Selangor and is listed on the main market of Bursa Malaysia. The company operates not only in Malaysia but also in several countries including Singapore, Australia, Taiwan, Vietnam, and the UK, India, Bahrain, and Qatar. Gamuda's core businesses include engineering and construction, property development, renewable energy, and digital technologies. It is well known for iconic projects such as the Smart Tunnel and the MRT Kajang and Putrajaya lines. Through the Gamuda Green Plan 2030, the company is committed to sustainable by promoting ESG practices and using advanced technology like AI, BIM, and IBS. Overall, Gamuda Berhad is an innovative and sustainable company, making it a suitable choice for our case study. Thank you. Next, I will explain the methods of survey used in this case study. For this research, we use a case study approach based on secondary data. The information was collected from reliable sources such as Gamuda Berhad's official website, integrated annual report, sustainability report, corporate publication, and other credible references. Our research focused on the company's background, occupational safety and health practices, safety management systems, and sustainability initiatives. To ensure the information was accurate and reliable, all data were reviewed and cross-checked from different sources. Overall, this method helped us gain a comprehensive understanding of Gamuda Berhad's occupational safety and health practices.
Now, I will present about occupational safety and health at Gamuda Berhad. The construction industry is a high-risk industry because workers are exposed to many workplace hazards. These include dust, excessive noise, dangerous chemicals, extreme heat, heavy machinery, electrical risks, and working at heights. This hazard can cause injuries, illnesses, and even fatalities. Therefore, Gamuda Berhad managed these risks through its QSHE management system, ISO 45001, safety training, inspection, and continuous monitoring. There are several common health hazards at Gamuda Berhad. First is silica and cement dust, which can cause lung diseases such as asthma and silicosis. Second is excessive noise, which may lead to hearing loss, stress, and poor concentration. Workers are also exposed to heat stress, causing dehydration, fatigue, and heat stroke. In addition, chemical exposure can cause skin irritation, burns, and respiratory problems. Lastly, musculoskeletal disorders from lifting heavy materials can result in back pain and muscle strain. To reduce these risks, Gamuda Berhad has implemented several safety measures. The company used the QSHE management system follows ISO 45001 standards. It also carries out hierarchy to identify hazards before works begin. Workers receive regular safety training, wear PPE such as helmets and safety boots, and the workplace is inspected regularly. Finally, Gamuda Berhad has emergency response plans, including the drills, first aid, and emergency teams to keep workers safe.
Now I will present in session 3, which is control methods to improve workplace safety at Gamuda Berhad. Gamuda Berhad used the hierarchy of control to reduce workplace hazards and improve safety on construction sites. These methods consist of 5 levels: elimination, substation, engineering control, administrative control, and personnel protective equipment or PPE. Each level helps reduce risks and protect employees. The first control method is elimination. This is the most effective method because it completely removes hazards before work begins. At Gamuda, unsafe work areas are cleared, damaged equipment is removed, hazardous waste is disposed of properly, and regular site inspections are carried out. Good housekeeping is also practiced to keep the workplace clean and prevent slips, trips, and falls. The second method is substitution. When hazards cannot be eliminated, Gamuda replaces dangerous materials, equipment, or work processes with several alternatives. The company also evaluates new technologies and construction methods and conducts risk assessment before introducing them to ensure they provide better protection for workers. The third method is engineering controls. This control use physical barriers and technology to separate workers from hazards. For example, Gamuda install perimeter fencing, safety guardrails, temporary barriers, and safety netting to prevent accidents. The company also use advanced technologies such as automated and anti-collision system on cranes and modern monitoring systems to improve safety and reduce workplace risks. Next is administrative control. This focus on workplace policies and safe work procedure. Gamuda requires a permit to work for high-risk activities such as confined space entry, hard work lifting operation, and working at heights. The company also provides site safety induction, toolbox meetings, safety briefings, workplace inspection, regular risk assessment, and continuous safety training to build a strong safety culture among employees. Finally, personal protective equipment or PPE is the last line of defense. All employees, contractors, and visitors must wear suitable PPE, including safety helmets, high visibility vests, stealth boots, gloves, safety goggles, hearing protection, respiratory masks, and safety harness when working at heights. Workers are also trained on the correct use, maintenance, and storage of PPE, while supervisors regularly inspect equipment and ensure it is worn properly. Thank you.
On these slides, it presents other relevant information that support the company's commitment to workplace safety and operational excellence. First, safety culture. The company believes that safety is everyone's responsibility. Every employee is encouraged to report hazard immediately and communicate if there's any safety concerns. This creates a proactive work environment where accidents can be prevented before they happen. Next is employee health and well-being. The company supports its workforce by providing health screenings, medical assistance, and proper worker facilities. This initiative helps maintain employees' physical well-being and ensure they are fit to perform their duties safely. The company also embraces digital innovation. It uses building information modeling or BIM and other digital technologies to identify potential risks, improve safety monitoring, and support better decisions throughout construction projects. Another important aspect is safety performance monitoring. Safety performance is regularly measured through key performance indicators or KPIs, safety reports, and audits. These evaluations help the company monitor compliance, identify areas for improvements, and continuously strengthen its safety management system. Lastly, sustainability and ESG commitment. The company integrates safety into environmental, social, and governance practice by promoting responsible and sustainable constructions. This ensures that safety, environmental protections, and social responsibility are considered together in every project. Overall, all these initiatives demonstrate that the company goes beyond regulatory compliance by creating a safe, healthy, innovative, and sustainable working environments for both employees and stakeholders. That's all from me. Thank you.
Now, I will present section 4.0, which is the suggested health and safety actions for Gamuda Berhad. Although Gamuda have implemented various safety controls, continuous improvement is needed to maintain strong occupational safety and health performance. First, strengthening safety leadership and management commitment. The management should be more involved in safety activities by conducting regular site visits and safety meetings. They should also provide enough resource to support safety programs. This helps build a strong safety culture and encourage employees to follow safety practice. Second, enhancing safety competency through continuous learning. Gamuda should continue providing safety trainings, refresher courses, and emergency drills. This helps employees improve their skills, reduce human errors, and prevent workplace accidents. Third, increasing the use of digital smart safety technologies. The company can expand the use of AI, LOT, wearable safety device, and predictive technologies. These technologies help detect hazard early, monitor worker safety, and improve overall site safety. Fourth, strengthening employee participation and safety culture. Employees should be encouraged to report hazards and near-miss incidents. Gamuda can also create a no-blame reporting culture and reward employees who actively promote workplace safety. This increases teamwork and safety awareness. Fifth, improving employees' health and well-being programs. The company should continue providing health screenings, mental health support, and stress management programs. Healthy employees are more productive and can work more safely. Finally, continuously improving the occupational safety and health management system. Gamuda should regularly review its safety policies, conduct safety audits, and monitor safety performance using KPI. This ensures continuous improvement and complies with safety standards. In conclusion, Gamuda prioritizes occupational safety and health through safety programs, the QSHE management system, and the hierarchy of control. The company manages workplace hazards such as dust, noise, chemicals, and heat stress. Overall, employee involvement, digital technologies, and continuous safety improvement help protect workers and support the company's long-term success. Thank you, and that's all from us.